So this is kind of where I started. So you can see, the grass is not the greatest, and it's not home to much. It's very rocky, the soil here, so the grass doesn't grow really well. Anyway, that's how I started, and I built this little garden bed here. It's about 1 square meter, and I have put quite a few things in there. So I've got a few native plants. This one here that I really love, Trish Pick. It makes these beautiful pink flowers. I've also put these little beauties here, they're called paper daisies. And then here we've got a beautiful type of grevillea, so a bit different to maybe the typical ones that we usually see, but again, very beautiful season at the moment. It's all flowering, and it's just gorgeous 3, 4, 5 colors kind of flower. And this is another little habitat that I have created. So I've put this little Australian sandstone here that came from not too far away, and yes, the little ants seem to love it, so it creates a little bit of texture. One of the things that drove the creation of this nature block, and that's my native bees. So we'll go here and I'll show you my native bees. So they are very quiet at the moment, and of course, you know, when spring starts, you'll see them all here. What I also do is when it gets really hot, because it gets really hot here, I also put a little water dish usually somewhere here, so that way they can have access to a bit of water when it gets really hot.